Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
Now at least we are able to put everybody in the correct place. Okay. Right, so this one is looking a little bit better. Alright. Now, going back to our slide. Each worker is a member of a supervisor organization. Have we accounted for Rob? So we have to put Rob somewhere. So let's say Rob is part of executive. Okay. So now, where do we put Rob? Or where do we have executive as a supervisor of the organization? About. So let me just maybe somewhere. Let me, just for the sake of this diagram, let me put it somewhere here. So somewhere here. So let's say executive. So that will be another supervisory organization. So who is a member of this? Based on the information that we have so far. Rob. Rob happens to be the manager of. So he is a manager of two organizations. One is sales management, one is HR management. That is fine. He is a senior leader. So he's right there. But if he is a part of the IT management hierarchy, please don't want to information we have. We are saying no. So okay. Now let me put them into boxes. I am very bad at drawing with this, so please bear with me. So these are the different boxes that we have. Each box representing one supervisory organization. Yes. Correct. Based on whatever information we had. Can we draw a diagram like this? Okay. And then here also we will have a few boxes. Like this. So for executives management, we have two subordinates. One is sales management and HR management. And then sales management has one subordinate, that is sales. HR management has one subordinate, that is HR. And have we accounted for all the workers as part of our list? No. I think we have. We have accounted for all the workers. So we have followed the rule. I mean the rules that have been set out. Each worker is a member of a supervisory organization. We have accounted for that. And what else did we do? We created the. So there will be one more box right here. Above. Right above. I think management. Right. So yes. Let's put Nick here. So what is? Let's give it a name. I believe the ship. So let's put Nick somewhere. Let me create some space. But if I do, you need something that hour. alignment will be gone. Anyway, let's assume that. Okay, Nick is here. I'm just writing Nick below. Megan. So he's part of the IT leadership. And he reports to Steve. So we have added one more worker. And then let's also add it, Steve. Steve is the CEO. And he reports to. So he will still report to himself. Steve will report to Steve. Okay. So now in this IT, in the IT leadership. So who is the member of IT leadership? It is Nick. Nick is. Nick happens to be the manager of IT. I think management. Okay, so this is what is about Nick. And then we have one more. Let's put it somewhere here. We have one more. That is the top. Let's say we call it as ABC. Organization. ABC organization, because that may be the name of this entire organization structure. So who is the member of that? Is absolutely at the top level. So the member is Steve. And Steve is actually the manager of. He's actually the manager of many organizations, right? I think leadership. And executive. Right. He's the manager of these two organizations. That's what we know, because Steve with Rob's manager is Win. Because Rob also should report to Steve. So let me put. I'm not up here. So Rob also reports to Steve. And who else? Nick should report to Steve. Yes, we have mentioned that. So this is IT leadership. Okay, now we have accountant for all the workers. I believe. Yeah. And who is the manager of A, B, C organization? Who will be the manager here? Steve is the manager. And the number of the top-level organization. You see how we created this organization structure based on the information that we had.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.